Hey everybody, Mike here, taking a look at some of the problems from section 2.5, and this is all about percentages. So we're going to start off with something like this. 40 is 50% of what? And we can solve this problem using the is over of method, where we're going to write a ratio between the is bit and the of bit, and 40 is the is bit, of we don't know, and it's equal to 50% of something. I know what you're thinking, Mike, just multiply it by 2. And that's what we're going to end up doing when we cross multiply. 1 times x is x, 40 times 2 is 80. So when we do that is over of, we can reduce. When we're solving ratios, we can reduce. So 40 is 50% of 80. What is 35% of 212? In this case, we don't know what the top of this ratio is. We do know the bottom, 212. And then we're going to stick that 35 over 100. And we can go ahead and multiply 100x is equal to, well, let's see here, 2, 1, 2, 3, 5, 10, 6, 10. Skip a space, 6, 3, 6. Add them up, 0, 12, 4, 7. 100x is 7,420. X is 74.2. Notice that we could have solved this one by x equals 0.3, directly multiplying 212 times 0.3. Make sure we multiplied correctly. Up, we'll get 0, 12, 4, 7 with 2 decimal places, 74.2. Either way we do it. Great. Next round of problems. What percent of 76 is 19? Is over of 19 over 76 is equal to my percent. 100. 76p is equal to 1900. So p is equal to divide 6 into 1900. Oh geez, 2 I think. And that's 38, so 380. Almost 2 of those, more than 2 of those. 5. 5 times 6 is 30. 5 times 7 is 35, plus 3 is 8. So what percent of 76 is 19? 25%. What percent of 13 is 427? In this case, we're going to take 427 over 13 is my percent over 100. And if I just divide 13 into 427 without multiplying it by 100, then I'm going to find the percent as a decimal. So I'm actually just going to multiply that by 100. 13p is 4t700. This is going to come out being something very high. So I don't want any confusion there. 2 110 Oh geez, 9 times I think. No, 8. 24. Yep, 104. So that's 6. 60 goes into 60. Oh, 4 times. 4 would be 52, so 3 times. No. Yeah, 4 is 52. Oh my goodness. Thank goodness I've got an undo button. Man, it was correct. So with a remainder of 8, 8 is more than half of 13, so we'd round that up. Let's say it's about 3.285%, which is a lot of percents, which means it's 32 times larger. 13 times 33 is 429, right? So it's around 33 times larger. It's 3,000 some percent. That's why it's such a large number, because there's such a difference in between the two of them. Okay, next round of problem. Net revenue from a particular year's book sales totaled approximately $1,975. Online book sales accounted for 46% of this amount. What was the net revenue from online book sales that year? This is what we are looking to solve. What is 46% of 1975? So I'm going to take 1975, I'm going to multiply it by 0.46, and we'll get our answer. Skip a space, 20, 28 makes 30. That's 36, 39, 7. Add them up. 0, 5, 9, 10, 9, 2 decimals. $, $909.5 million. Okay, I think I've got one more word problem I want to take a look at. Number 53 here, this is the last problem, 2.5.53. The number of youth baseball players worldwide declined from 2.5 million in 1997 to only 1.7 million in 2012. What is the percent? It's the change. 0.8. What was the start? 2.5. 0.8 is what percent of 2.5? So I'm going to take and I'm going to divide 2.5 into 0.8. No, wait, no, I'm not. I'm going to divide 25 into 8. 25 doesn't go into 8, but it goes into 80 3 times. 25 goes into 50 twice. 0.32 means 32%. Why did I convert that into a percent? Because I divided directly 0.8 divided by 2.5. I didn't do an is over of formulation. If I had, 0.8 is over the 2.5 of is what percent over 100. Then I would have 2.5p is equal to 80. P is equal to 80 divided by 2.5, which is 800 divided by 25. 25 goes into 800. 3, 2 times 32%. Hey, that's it for this section. I will see you next time.